Hello guys, hello guys, hello guys, hello guys. Hello guys, hello guys, hello guys. Hello guys, hello guys, hello guys. Are you okay guys? You okay guys? You good guys? Yeah. Yeah. Let's tap the screen guys and share the live. Let's tap the screen and share the live. Tap the screen and share the live. Tap the screen. Tap the screen and share the live. Please tap the screen guys. Please tap the screen. Please tap the screen. Did you put filter? No, it's not a filter. I'm like this. I'm like this. He says, yeah, Lalo Ranjan. Yeah, slowly. No, I see filter. Kekam Kogele. Funk the DJ. Regular iPhone 17. Let's tap the screen, guys. Let's tap the screen. We are playing Magampumi. Magampumi. We're playing Magampumi.
300 broke people. Tapas. Association of Tapas. How are you?
So, Usha, I want to understand.
Yes, ngisho bona abantu bakho laba bakhaphile ngathi niyokhuthaza esingcwabeni. Ngathi you hired them.
Yeah.
I want to see what are they going to do for you tonight. Let's go. 10 games, guys. Move back. Are you ready to move back? Are you ready to be a security in your house?
No, I'm not ready.
Guys, please behave. Behave, guys. Don't sleep. Why nithanda ukulala ngathi niyinkukhu? It's Sunday and most of you anisebenzi but nilala early, hayi. Uthepha iscreen lapho. Hawu. Hawu umuntu alale early ingathi khona la ayakhona kusasa. And akunala uyakhona. Hayibo, uthepha iscreen lapho ungazokhona la life yami. Sizokublock. Ngiyadlala. Guys, we are playing a move back. If we get 1,000 points, this tall boy is gonna move back. Uzoya lapha emarketing wakhe. Ayowela lapho. Kula marketing. Share the life. Do you still remember what we did to you on Friday?
What did you do that I didn't do to you?
You tried to win and we overtook you and then we whooped you so bad. We won a series. Wena. Unga acting at 2 years mangaza, you don't know what happened.
Kimberly leveled up. Thank you so much, Kimberly.
Guys, all together, share the life. Share the life to your exes, guys. We only want your exes from crutch. They care. As funny laba ngathi bahlakaniphile. Siyacela bafethu. Share the life to your exes. They will come running. They will come running, trust me. Mtshele ukuthi nje indlu kaMama kaMpumi yasha. Uzozibuza ukuthi indlu ubani uMama kaMpumi. Bese uyazi. Bese nilungisa indaba zenu. That's why you are suffering now because ex yakho le yiyo right. Loku uyaphupuleza la. Hak for start. Uzobona wena namhlanje ngalama winning streaks lawo wakho lawo. Angazi ukuthi nokuthi uboshaya bani ngawo. Uzobona namhlanje guys, every game counts. Every game counts. Can we have 4 roses? Let's go team. Let's go. Uyazihambulisha. Konje ubani le MVP le yakhe guys lengana mazinyo. Guys, let's go team 2. Ungazimangazi. Angithi uwobo umtshela ukuthi abheka ama false teeth wakhe kahle.
Ubalo.
Loyana othanda ukummemeza guys, 1 rose. Team.
Sazi.
Guys.
Awunamazinyo.
Ngidlali kanjani. Guys, can we try?
My lord. Thank you so much, my lord. Thank you so much, my lord.
I share the life. Still MVP namhlanje.
Thank you so much.
All together, guys. All together. Guys, all together. All together, team.
Guys, let's go, guys. On time.
Guys, see, send a heart me. Don't forget to send a heart me. There's a goodie bag. Don't forget to send a heart me, guys. All together, team. My mama have missed you. No.
Lord John Kumalo. Let's go. Lord John Kumalo.
Oh, you muting gaming pen.
Yeah.
Good. Thank you.
I want another space.
Thank you. Usema movie,
Thank you so
guys.
much.
Use cinema.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Please follow my MVPs, guys. Please follow my MVPs. Please follow my MVPs. Please follow my MVPs. Please follow my MVPs, guys. Let's go, guys. You leveled up. Click on. Let me see. You leveled up. Who leveled up here? Chula mama ikindawo yako, just shut up. Uzothula uzunuka ikake emlomweni. Ngiyakutshela, angeke into ozoyikhuluma kahle usikhaphile la. Usikhaphile. Hey lalani, hey Thepani, hey what. Uzothula uzunuka ikake. Ngiyakutshela. Thank you so much, Rabbi. So thank you so much, guys. Let's go harder, guys. She can come back this one. She's dangerous. Ningamnyathi ne. Nondu. Thank you so much, Nondu. Thank you so much, Nondu. What's about Tulis? Lord John Kumalo. Lord John Kumalo. Let's go. Check level yakhe lapha. Checka level yakhe. Akusuma fundani lo. Riyabethu. Thank you so much, Rabbi. Let's go. Good thing I fast forward. Yes, game but you don't give me challenge. Yo. Let's go. John Kumalo. And John. I was like, really? Isazi. Welcome, Gamede. Welcome, Gamimi. Let's go. I snipe Peggy. It's unsnipeable. Ayikhonakali ni bazamile abaningi baphelele emoyeni guys. Watch out for the snipe. Watch out for the snipe, guys. Strong man. Watch out for the snipe. Yes 3 to 1. Gish guys.
It's just the first game. Relax. What we did to you on Friday? You were on 8. We were on 4. We won a series.
I was going $1.
Hayi emaqala ke ngicela utshele uJohn ukuthi thina masikushaya ngana sikushaya ngama-jam hayi uJohn Black wase the bold and the beautiful.
Check. No, Lord John.
Akuna Lord lapho uLord wamanikani hayibo futhi loyo ke uJohn loyo ithi ngikutshele loyo uyabona ukuthi una something ku gallery loyo is a beggar like us. Loyo ngeke akuphe ne-universe loyo ne-lion loyo.
Mara wamkhuluma blind man.
Streamer phela lo muntu loyo uyambona.
Thank you so much, Lord John Kumalo.
Streamer uJohn ngeke akuphe i-lion mtshele ukuthi mina ngiyukenzani. If i-MVP yami yangena la uzobaleka. Iqiniso lo uyaziyo.
Mari engengaka mara John
i-streamer. Mina i-streamer singithusi honestly because uzokumele uyobhadala nini. Mtshele ukuthi i-real MVP kamama kaMpumi ama-MVP makangena nizokaka nonke lapho uyazi nawe. Dlalani ngala mamanigani wenu. Hi guys, let's try team. They want to beat us.
Tela Kimberly on the time guys, on the time
all together guys. Sengitelelile guys yobazongishaya guys, but I don't care. How uzosithusa ngabo John uyi-streamer hayibo sonke siyasokola mina nawe no John safana mos.
Mina ngiyasokola bitch.
And when I think ngikutshele mina ngisabi level tshela uJohn ukuthi umama kaMpumi level 34 she's a gifter naye ngafika nami ngamhlanganisa namanto lapho akhona elifeni yakhe angisabi mina i-streamer mina. Umuntu ocelayo ama-types naye hayibo ama-rose uzongithusayela ngaye ithi MVP yami eyi-1 ingene la uJohn uzosihlonipha uzosaluta uzothi uzothi ubani le ntombazane ubani lo gogo umama kaMpumi hayibo angimazi yazi uzongazi and umtshela ukuthi abheke igallery yami okay uJohn wakho bese ucompare yami igallery neyakho bese ke sakhuluma hawu
Silwanga.
yes I feel this angithi wena usiqhomela ngoJohn Black akuna Lord lapho uJohn Black wasedays and the beautiful guys all together guys let's go see umuntu thina la level of new level
I love this guy. Oh, Lord John. Wait, when uzambiza John olapho. Lord John Kumalo. Thank you so much.
Guys, John Black was
Lord
shy.
John
All
Kumalo.
together, guys. All together.
Lady
All
M,
together,
thank you so
my
much.
team. Guys, if you're here, don't forget to click your follow.
Thank you so much.
So that you don't miss our
RSA
games.
Thank you so much, guys. On times 2, guys.
Let's keep on tipping, guys.
on
Let's
times
go.
2.
Let's try times 2. It's a series, guys. It's 0-1.
Times 2, guys. Times
Let's
2.
go.
Shayla. Times 2, guys. Times 2. Now, thank you so much, Shayla. Times 2, guys. Times 2, guys. Times 2. On the times 2, guys. Let's go on times 2, guys.
I guess born again. Kuthi izophelelaphi.
Branch.
All together, team. Guys, can anyone subscribe for us?
Sabelo.
Please. Let's go.
Indile.
Let's go, Timmy. Let's go. Anything, guys. Anything. Anything.
Thank you so much, Pendila. Thank you so much.
Guys, thank you so much for the likes, guys. We are on 42. Let's go, my team. All together. Aphelile mama. Ijem gani. Level 35. Siphelile. Kanjalo nje. Sure. So la makatkat manje lapho lamafinga athi udonsa kanzima Dr. Malinga. Mina ngithuswi level mina kungangena ulevel 3 la akuhlanganise namabonda ulevel 2 ulevel 10 futhi nje i-retired soldier loyo awu ukhathele akuseyikho into azoyenza la kuzongena ulevel 10 la anything ukutshele ke uyabona level 35 ukuthi uspende how much akusukuthi una mhlambe level 35 but ijam gun leyo yokugcina so yenzani manje hayibo kumele manje simsabe umuntu ngoba uLord John dlalani sambeng let's go team let's go my family my tapas keep on tapping until one enter impandlani izomila inwele ngoku manje let's go team all together guys all together let's try I know this is not our time but let's go boy how bathi mina ngizohlala ngithulile kanjani ngithuliswe istreamer hayibo mhlawumbe ubiza uGamete ke yabo naye ngathi futhi useka retireile loyo naye sekayadlula uyaphuma uyaphuma ngathi ufunana ne baby ne boxer
namhlanje umbona uphonsele namhlanje
ubani
uGamete
uphonsele bani
mina
ini ilion
Lion. Let me check it. I'll check for you. They will tell me here. Guys, what was that?
Ini ukuma rankings na sibona ngama rankings ukuthi bekuliwa. How?
Akabelo
guys, thank you so much. Oh guys, 202 guys. My team. Thank you so much, guys. Let's try.
Dali Pindile, thank you so much. Bonza. Lady, thank you so much. Lady M.
Ugamete sekakhathele ugifta naye. Guys, let's go team. South Africa is not my gift. You don't know. You don't know that.
Yeah.
That's not my gift. South Africa. Few people. Mabafika ku level 40 bayakhathala. Or 30 something. Bayakhathala nje yabo. Bayasola.
Bayasola. Ah, hey! Angiboni yazi. Angiboni yazi. Ngizothule yazi ngibona. Oh yeah. Hi! Lord John Kumalo. Let's go. Lord John Kumalo. Ungalokuthi John ungalokubiza abantu bamabu John la. Akuna John la. Kuna Lord John Kumalo. Let's go. Shut up. Tula, mama, Tula. Thank you so much. You must just shut up, mama. Ayikho into kumele uyenze lana sibheke nedugu yakho asazi ukuthi bokuliwa before uzalana like bondlule emakatini or ema-tiger nani. But God bless you with your duke. Yes, let's go. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Lord Kumalo. Thank you so much, Lord Kumalo. Please follow Lord Kumalo. Lord, not John. Please follow Lord John Kumalo. Please follow Lord John Kumalo, not John. Lord John Kumalo. We must start with Lord John Kumalo. Thank you so much, guys. Hey, what? Now, guys, one rose each, guys. One rose each. Thank you so much, Lord John Kumalo, for a rose. Let's go, guys. One rose each. Riabetu, thank you so much. Kahiso, thank you so much. Target reached. Dali, thank you so much. Let's go. Play. Mama, play. Ponza. Thank you so much, Ponza. Kabelo. Thank you so much, guys. Let's go. You said you want to play South Africa. Evan, South African. Thank you so much, South African. Thank you so much, guys. On the times two, guys. On the times two, guys. On the times two. Thank you so much, Kahiso. Thank you so much. Let's go, guys. On the times two. On the times two, guys. On the times two, Kabelo. Thank you so much. On the times two. Papa bantu bago. Like unomlomo mara unabantu. Why? Bonza Mazulu. Why? Times two, guys. Let's go. Okay. Thank you so much. Let's play, guys. Let's play. Hey, amagifta makafika ku-40 ayakhathala. Hey, khathalekile. We all about tiring. We are tiring. We are dered. Yo, pardon. A Duchess. Thank you so much, Duchess. Let's go play. Play, mama. Play. You said you want to play, Anish? Play. This one is the second one. Solo. This one is the second one.
Oh, uyabuza mina or ubuza mamo. Awuna ma-moderator, ubuza mina into ezinjalo. Phethwe into zami, ngicabanga i-life yami la.
This one is the third one.
Oh, buza uLord. Hayibo.
You shombiza Lord, right, man?
uLord wakho.
Hey, uLord wethu. Thank you so much, guys. This is the third game. Then we playing the ubiza Lord, man. Seyakutla manje,
Fake Lord.
uLord. Yakutla. Okusalayo. Check the score. Check the balance. Hey, it's unsnipeable. It's impossible.
Ngemali yomashonisa.
Never. Aikhona lini. Never. Samukelo. Thank you so much. Samukelo. Daily number 22, guys. Let's push, guys. Let's push. We are pushing for popular. Kwanje kumele ngipushe popular kakhulu ne?
Let me see. We are popular number what?
22.
Yeah. Ithi basenda ama-heart me.
Ama-heart me.
Nama-popular.
Let's go, guys. Please send the heart me's.
And claim their points so that ufike ku-top 20 at least, uthole badge ngo-12.
But claim me.
Hey, lapha next to your profile there's a circle. Mabaceda ukusenda ama-heart me nama-popular. Babuyele lapho khona la izothi claim, claim. Izokhona ukuphusha ube ku-top 20.
Oh yeah, guys, please send heart me's and claim there.
Yeah. Hayibo. Phela nina i-5,000 leyo it was on times 3. Uyamtshela lo muntu maka ukuthi ngikushaya ngani Dr. Malinga. Ithi ngibone guys.
No, guess what? We don't care ngama history.
Kanti nina nabo maliyoni. Amajeti.
Ucabanga ukuthi benginemali.
Anina maliyoni namajeti. Actually unto uye ku online loan le yama speed for mina lama ukupha
Lord John Kumalo. Let's go.
Hayi man. Uthi ngibonile ukuthi sukushaya ngani. Iziphi lento lezi benyukushaya ngani. Ngokuthi izukudala lento lezo man. Hayi man. Iphi angishaya ngama screenshot makala. Hayi man. Ukuyomtshela ukuthi lo muntu mina ngikuyenza ngikushaya ngama-volt hey. Hayibo.
Amara just net ngani lezo.
Ngikushaya ngama-volt boy.
Hey, mara, just no
Uke
joking
wamtshela
around.
ukuthi ujoining i-dangerous kanjani?
Oshanga ama-throwback. Don't
Okay,
blind us.
aninayo i-Leon or i-Flying Jet.
I'm still guys, please step, I'm still.
Hayi, ngamani
I'm
ngani
still.
step. Guys, can we try,
Let's
please?
go,
Someone.
guys. I'm still, guys.
Let's go.
Can you come three phone and if our phone is 70s? Why you phone and la?
Guys, all together.
All together, Yan.
Guys, 51 points. Guys, come on. Ay, Jesus. Yo. Let's go, guys. Let's power tap, guys. Let's power tap. Hi,
Oh
bro.
Lord.
Let's go.
It's your old Lord.
Ubani.
Where?
Hi, wena. Yo.
My Lord Jesus, it's oh Lord.
Guys, come on, Claire. Can we tap,
I
guys?
snipe him. Let's go, guys. We are going for times 2.
Tap?
We are going for times 2. So the important one is a daily or it's a popular.
It's a daily. It depends ukuthi abantu bakho bakupushe kuphi. If i-daily ithini uthi kuphi? Thingbo.
34.
Ukude kumele ufocus kunto manje. But you can make it if uloti angabi stingy. But it's tough.
Kana ukhona ukukhuluma ungafaka ngolodi mara.
Angithi uyo khona lapho manje.
Kimbali 0.
Chini. Hey Queenie. Hey guys, can you have 3? Guys, sihle. Guys, can you activate speed, guys? Oh, what me?
Oh, what me? Let's go.
Yazi malinga ungaswaba manje. You only have 2.
2
and I have 0. And you had 8 on Friday. I had 4, but I won the series.
Hey, mara, ngisho manje, why would you I have 2? I won 3 ngisho.
You won 3?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Now ubi makenye bi makiyabile jano.
Thanks you guys, thanks you.
Ubi mamole ngeng sengmo.
Mbali.
Ska re kenyetse bubi mabao, please. Ska kenyetsa buima ngwaneso.
O busy Kate got the blocking.
Mo a re bui language e jwalo babes. Ubima. Ai, a re tsebe ntho mo.
Thank you so much. Let's go.
Guys, can we tap, please? Can we tap, guys? As you come, guys, can you help us to tap, please? Can you tap the screen? Guys, we are losing. It's 0-3. 0-3, guys.
Aqala ngeyami uthi 3-0 ungathi 0-3.
What are you saying, Barbara?
No, I'm saying ungathi 0-3, 3-0.
0-3. We have 0, you have 3. If I say 3-0, that means I'm having 3. This is how we count our series. Guys, let's, cause people are gonna be into. Guys, can we tap, Claire? Can we tap?
Siyawina lana nesiqeda ngawe then iphele le ndaba.
Wena. Oh, you are telling people to tap. Because I didn't understand what you say. What are you saying there? Guys, can we tap, Claire? Can we just take down their winning streaks, guys?
Send the hot miss, guys. So hold on.
Guys, let's go. Let's go, Timmy.
Guys, please share the live, ne? Please share the live. Please share the live.
Ngifuna ukukubuza ngesomething ne ukuthi uyayazi but ngizokubuza ngizokusendela imessage ngikubuza.
Okay.
Ukuthi awe ngayo na. Okay guys, let's go Timmy. Guys, let's go guys. Please everybody power tap my team. Guys, inile na ma. Oh, makeup yamayiso kangakahle. All together guys, all together, all together.
Kana abantu bakho baslow na bangafiki na.
Yo.
No,
mina vele ngasikhathi isikhathi Lora let's go ngene i-MVP. Guys, can we snipe? Can someone snipe and take down their winning streaks, guys? Winning streaks. Winning streaks. Oh, winning streaks, Timmy.
Akathatheki. Yeah, we are on 4th one. We are going to 5th. You're on 5th. 4-0. We are going to number 5, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. You call it love, Anele, thank you so much. Kimberly, thank you so much. Tebogo, Segolo,
Guys, come on,
Bonta,
Claire.
Antoinette,
Someone snap for
Zero,
us.
Dali, Khali, Samukelo. Thank you so much. Let's go, guys. Let's play, guys. Let's play. Where is Zimba? When are we
Guys, someone please take this winning streaks down, please. Thank you so much for the follow, Queenie. Kumo. Thank you so much. Guys, can you try first gift? Can you drop their winning streaks, guys? Can you drop their winning streaks? Times 2.
Guys, let's go, guys. On times 2.
Let's have a thank you. Just the
On
winning
times 2, on
streaks.
times 2.
Why are you saying Malinga, guys? If you Malinga won't see your comment here. If you want to say something to Malinga, go to his side, Moose. How? Lindo! Miss EL, thank you so much, Queenie. Thank you so much, Lindo. Thank you. Hey. Botin, going.
No, bring it.
All right. Thank you. So zokuhlale kunje. Azoba lama winning streaks law. So it's only one. Don't worry.
Tinashe.
More yala.
Thank you so much, Tinashe.
Has anyone look at love?
Please send the hard news, guys. Please send the hard news.
And the important thing, when they send the hat me, they must claim the points, because if they don't claim the points, they're not gonna count on your popular. So they
must claim,
and they must comment. They must also comment. Even if they can say hi, it's another point. So they must also comment and tap. Keep on claiming the points. Guys, all together. But
claim the point. Who the hell? Guys, one rose, guys. One rose.
Can you have 2 roses?
1 rose each, guys. 1 rose.
2 roses, guys. See, guys. See. Thank you.
Target the rich today. Target the rich today. Target who the hell? Target the rich today. Tachana, thank you so much, Dali. Thank you so much, Zero.
Guys, can we try to take down their winning streaks, guys? Can we try to have one
guys, let's go, guys, on the times 2, guys.
One win on our side. Lindo Gutle. Guys, 10 winning streaks.
Guys, let's go, guys, on times 2, guys.
Thank you, Lindo. Guys, times 2.
On times 2, on times 2, guys, on times 2.
Oh! Says! Shut up, buena. Aibo. When we are chela. You feel like Uguti when you won 2 games. 2 games. Nje. Hey, yeah. No. Those ones, they were too small. 4 games, yeah, fine. But you feel like you have made it. Where's your lot? Hey, Oswaka, where is your lot? Lose mentation. Eh, wait, nah, I can't lose mentation. And the next time, ungangithusi ngama-streamer odwa. Ho. Sayithola le one. I-snipe. Zama nje ukuthi uyayisnipe. Boy. Hey, ungaloku pressa la. Ngengalo ezingathi yezento. Ungaloku pressa la. Nana, guys, 10-0. 10 minute streaks, guys. You know, when I do this, there's someone who might beat you. Loser. Future loser. How? Ama-mosquito ayayidlulela nje lapho elifini yakho usozitshela ukuthi uzoshiraba. You ask me before you say, hey, please. Guys, please, can we try my team? They want to snipe her. They want to snipe you. I cannot love. Hey, guys, 40 seconds team. Dog, Tower the herbalist. You gonna snipe? Good luck, guys. Snipe. If they snipe, amakwala. Umuntu ozohlala lapho asnipe lapho ikwala. Kwala leli lemakwala, guys. Snipe.
Guys, there's tricks, guys. There's tricks.
Guys, snipe, please. I'm a snipe.
Oh, yes!
No.
Lotto!
Ulot udlala
Lotto!
sniping game.
Lotto! Lord John Kumalo.
No,
Let's
wabo
go.
udlala sniping game. Kilgwala.
Well there.
Kilgwala
Lord
level
John
35. I
Kumalo.
rekileng level. Yes, thank you.
Go.
Yeah, it's
Go.
gonna be tough now because now he is sniping, he doesn't play. It's gonna be tough.
And thank you so much,
But still,
Lord
we're
John
gonna take down
Kumalo.
those winning streaks. Thank you so much, Oswaka.
Lord
Thank you,
John
everyone. It's
Kumalo, thank you
fine.
so much, Riabetri.
Radala le gwala
Thank you
mo.
so
Wa
much.
sniper
Last
level
born
35
now.
PMA to
Thank you so
snipe.
much.
Thank you so much, Oswaka. Thank you so much. Good night, my
It was
sister.
sent
Thank you so
zero,
much.
Tinashe,
Thank you. Guys,
Dali,
zero.
King, Kamohelo.
Imagine level
Guys, please,
35
guys,
PMA
let's
to
go, guys.
sniper
Let's go, guys.
manigana.
Please
Jesus.
send the hard miss, guys. Now, please don't forget to send 50. 50. 5 Noto. We are going for the, we're going to play four games, then we are done with it.
I don't.
No
It's
doubt.
not guaranteed, boy. Table can turn.
This
Table
one is a
can
walk in the park.
turn.
It's a walk in the park. Let's
Oh,
go.
guys.
I snipe. It's unsnipeable. It's impossible. I can't
We need a savior. We need a savior, my team.
Please follow John, guys. Please follow Lord John Kumalo, not Maputa. Please
11,
follow
guys.
Lord John
That's the
Kumalo.
winning streaks. The 11 winning streaks.
Hi, yeah.
Guys, can we all tap there?
Guys,
Guys, can we all tap?
John, Dali. Lord John, let's go. Uyantaye na moya, uyantaye, uyantaye. Last bono.
The
Thank you so much,
fragments,
last bono.
guys. How
How
many fragments do we have?
One rose, guys. One rose each, guys. Some girl. Thank
I
you so
think
much.
we're gonna lose one fragment because we didn't go live today. Guys, can we activate Claire?
Oh,
Can we
Shilini,
activate?
thank you so much, Rabbi. Target the reach today, just like that.
Lord, it's
That's
nice.
Paulo.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
let's say
Who
yes.
the hell? Thank you
That's
so
one
much. Who
rose.
the hell? Thank you so much. Uyantayela moya, uyantayela, urikevyale moya. Last Bono, thank you so much, Last Bono. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Please, how are you?
Thank you so much, Shilimi. Thank you so much.
We need help, guys.
Thank you so much.
We need help, my team, yo.
LSG, thank you so much. Jim, ushawa streamer.
Vele sine enga ngithi vele ngisiprovokile sizothini usithole recharge mos usithole recharge nginkani it's okay vele so uzophelelwa manje.
Shilimi, guys, let's go, guys, on times 2, guys. Last Pauno, number 2, let's go, guys. Oh, nice one.
Oh, guys, where is Lizzie? Who's Lizzie now? Why are you asking me about Lizzie? Guys, can you try? Let's go, Timmy. Let's go, guys.
Let's all go. Did I drop a statement? Yeah, please throw the glove. Please throw the glove, Kimberly. Please throw the glove.
Vele, you better throw it. Throw it.
Please throw the glove.
Anything can happen. Oh, guys. Guys, someone snap for us. One game, fella.
Send the lane, the line. Shut the 4, guys. 4, we go. Send the lane, the line.
Yes, I'm building your lala, guys.
Send the lane, the line. LSG. Thank you so much, guys. Guys, let's watch out. Lana was a sniper, huh?
Guys, someone snipe this for us, Oh, wow.
Kukude la sibuya khona. Ungalilahle lithawula. Thawula.
Guys, someone try please for us, Claire.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Kimberly, for the glove. Please throw on the glove, guys. On the glove. No roses on the glove. No roses on the glove, guys. Let's go, guys. No roses on the glove. Banga snipe. Your way. On the glove, guys. On the glove.
Level
LFG, on the
six,
glove.
but cool.
On the glove. Yeah.
Yes. Oh, I say.
Provoke Lord. Lord to
Ay.
Last phone.
Angiprovoke
Thank you so
abantu
much. Last phone. Thank you so much.
abanganalutho abazamayo.
LFG, Kimberly.
Hawu.
Yeah.
Angiprovoke abantu abanganalutho. Ulota kanalutho. Siyambona nje.
Yeah,
Ama-streamer lawa post live.
Yeah?
Post live loyo.
First live usho impilo or live yala.
I-live iyonke nalana. Hawu. Umuntu nje uyahamba uyo recharge nge-2K. Beceda ufuna ukushaya thina nge-2K. Yebo. Intanga zakhe zisenda ama-Leon. Ngicela ubheka ukuthi i-MVP le A1 i-first kuma-Leon yasenda ama-Leon ayingaki. Hamba uyobheka nje.
Yabo yabani.
Eyami. Click on my gallery. Ucheck ama-Leon. Go and check. Meli.
Mara lezo zingena njani lezo?
Eziyangena ngithi sifuna ukumbonisa ukuthi intanga zakhe zenzani empilweni. Angazozibhosa la because asina MVP kwamanje akunamuntu osilwelayo. Hawu. Uzosidabulela la ayidabulela. Clicka i-Leon ubheke ukuthi first person udrop ama-Leon ayingaki. Hawu. Bese nina
11.
Bese nina maniceda lapho nizopretend esifi i-5K leyana ye-first game le it was a Leon or a flying jet. Checka ukuthi lana ekhaya kudliwa ipapa ngama-Leon. Hawu. Uyibolekile nokuyiboleka le mali leyo yokuthenga le 2K leyo. Ceda uzozenza ngcono la. Ukuthi azothi shine Dr. Malinga.
Guys, Mara, shut up, Nyana. Mara, like, no, as understand. Mr. Majin.
Ke tloele Malinga. Wena level 13. Tsamaya o nka tšhelete ya grant 350. O tlo lwanela Malinga. O se ke tlo ntjwetsa mo ke tloele Malinga. Hawu. O mthusa kang Malinga. Tsamaya rekisa dieta tsa hao o ye ka wa. What's something ka life yao? O thuse Malinga wa sokola no ka mo. O desperate. O batla o protected di-nugget tsa hae wena wa tla ka mo. Kapa o tepe. Terrorists. Dinkonko. Lingongo. Paphela abantu bakho. Times 2. Niyashaya musithulele. Mangiceda niyasukela niyeza futhi nizokhomenta. Nizongithola.
Let's go back. Last phone. Thank you so much, last bonus. Thank you so much. On the times 2, guys. Let's go on times 2. Thank you so much.
Oh, guys, guys.
Yeah.
Let him win. What about me? Mina ngini la ngicockroach mawuthi let Malinga win. Ngicockroach mina la ngizela ukapha uMalinga. Ngizokublocker yazi. Isho futhi enye into A1. Uzobona ngizokublocker manje kay 10. Ngiphinde futhi ngikublock.
Anyone with the glove?
Oh.
Anyone with the glove?
Ulike nje angisemudini okublock abantu namhlanje. Oh. Hey guys, snipe hle. Yo. Kasi ngicela sisnipe lana hle guys it's only one game. We have 0 guys. Kasi ngiya understand ukuthi uDr Malinga yi celebrity ke akunandaba. Mara guys ashaye 10-0. Hayibo. Hayi. Ngicela nimo prove ukuthi akusi celebrity la ku TikTok. How? Let's go, Timmy. Someone just snipe this, guys, please. We are almost there, Pio. They're gonna snipe it. Do you have a glove? Hi.
I have ×3 booster. Please throw it, Kimberly. Please throw it.
Ow, na panic. Upulot. Seni khalela nokuma booster manje. Cause nabona ukuthi kungashuba anytime. Guys, Claire. Oh. Oh, Gosian. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Guys, please snipe this one. Yo, let's go.
Let's take down their winning streaks there now, guys.
Guys, please snipe, guys. Please snipe, guys. They're gonna take the streaks. Yo.
Let's take down the winning streaks, guys. It must be 1-0. It can't be. Oh. Snipe, guys. Let's go. Yes. Yes, 1. Yeah. But why are you cursing at me respectfully? I was just asking. Now you're telling 15-year-old. I will block you. Right for the last time. I'm giving you another chance. Just say it. You are going to be blocked. Melly, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. We have 1 Clavlin. Thank you. 1. Kuluma food.
Thank you so much.
Because I want
Kimberly, Mr. Mashego.
ungazobhala ama-essay la elifini yami. Sine-stress saka Dr. Malinga manje. Just cough. Or sneeze. Here. You will see.
I'm going to go finish home.
Oh, let's go, Timmy. Let's try. Thank you so much. Millie, thank you. Let's go, guys. Let's go, Timmy. First gift. First gift. First gift, my team. All together. First gift. Let's try, guys. Let's try. I-MVPs zosithola phambili, guys. Let's try. Oh. Umuntu ufuna attention. Why abantu bathanda attention so much? Kuma life are wrong. Ukhulumela ummeli wena ka Dr. Malinga. Ummeli nangu lapha ya. At least uyasizama. Are you a lawyer? Ukubhatala malini? Hambo yomkhulumela ngale. Ube politike, ube uJulius Malema ngale. Not here. How? All together, team. Let's try. Abana lutho manje baphelelwe. Let's go. It's our turn now. Asambeni.
Uxosha uLord, yazi ngimxoshile.
Hayi ngimxoshanga. Angithi nawe ukhuluma kakhulu.
Last ball now. Last ball. Wait for the double, ne? Wait for the double last ball. Guys, 1 rose each. 1 rose each, guys. Let's go, guys. 1 rose each. 1 rose each. Popular. Yo, where? One rose each. Kimberly, Nondu. 9. Mr. Mashego. Guys, 1 last rose, guys. 1 last rose. Yes, thank you so much. Snare, thank you so much. Let's go, guys. On the double, we go harder, guys.
One more, guys. 1 more rose. 1 more rose. 1 more rose, Timmy. 1 more rose. 1 more rose. 1 more rose. 1 more rose. 1. Guys, 1 more rose. Hey, Bonolo, thank you so much. Thank you.
Let's Bono, wait. Yo, let's Bono. Yeah, wait, now. Thank you so much, let's Bono. Thank you so
guys,
much.
Guys,
on times 2, guys. On times 2. When you see now times 2, anything that you throw is
guys, manje. Let's try Timmy.
9. Thank you so much. Or again 9 or again.
Oh, for God. Guys, let's try times 2. Let's try, guys.
On the times 2, guys. Anything that you throw now is times 2.
Let's try Timmy. Times
Anything
2.
that you throw now is times 2.
37. All together, guys.
Oh, 0,
all
9.
together. Guys, you all together, team.
Mr. Mashego. Let's go, guys. On times 2, guys. On times 2.
Yes, let's go.
Kimberly, Mr. Mashego, Bonza. On times 2, guys. On times 2. Let me see, guys.
Guys,
We are
let's
40.
go, Timmy. Guys, anyone? Let's go.
Guys.
Yini enkinga ukuthi nifike ku 1000? Nidonsa kanzima. Hayi,
Ngasitshela ngokudonsa nongadonsi.
hayi nidonsa kanzima shame. Niphethe ispeed mara niyatswipila. Isandla siqinile epokotweni lapho or emakawusini. Oh, guys, can we tap? Can you tap my team, please? Let's go. Let's go, Timmy. Let's go. Let's go. All together, guys. All to. Bafuna ukungithulisa. Babhekeni.
Be on. Sipho! Thank you so much, Sipho. Thank you so much, Sipho. Let's go. Shut up, mama. Ne? Thanks, bye. Thanks, bye. Chula kanjalo, bye. Thanks, mama. Let me see. Okay. 92, 92, 92, 92. Nami ngishawa upalo, I understand. Guys, they're gonna snap this one. Sipho! Thank you so much, Sipho. Thank you so much, Sipho. Thank you so much. Let's go. Guys, please send me the hard miss and claim them there. Ne?
Guys, thank you so much. At least we are on one, guys. We are on one, guys, right now. What's the score?
Guys, we are on 7-1. Thank you so much. Last Bono. Thank you so much. Last Bono with that love and a power up. And Sipho. Thank you so much, Sipho. Kimberly, Mr. Mashiro.
7-1, guys.
And,
Someone enter here.
9. Thank you so much.
Someone enter here.
Kakaulani.
Let's everybody power tap, guys. Everybody power tap. Everybody power tap, guys. 7-1. Mara okusalayo ama-winning streaks wona lawa ubozifila ngawo they are gone now, ne? How do you feel now?
I'm feeling next.
Sorry, ne? Sorry.
9. Thank you so much, guys. Let's go, guys. On times 2, guys.
Someone snipe for us, please. Someone snipe.
It's times 2. Let's go, guys. Mr. Michelle Bonza.
Guys, can we tap, Claire? Can we tap, guys? We have 148 people, guys. Come on. Can we tap? Guys, can we tap, Claire? That's a pet we can't.
Sipho! Let's wait for the double, Sipho. Let's wait for the double. Let's go, guys. Let's wait for the double. When it says times 2, and then we throw, it's times 2. Anything that we throw is times 2. Let's go, guys. Last Bono. Thank you so much, Last Bono. Let's wait for the double. Now we wait, and then 1-0, bargain. 1 rose is Bonza, Kimberly. And then when it says times 2, and then it's when we can throw. Anything that we throw is times 2.
Can we try? Thank you so much, guys. One more rose.
Thank you so much. Mala Mula. Thank you so much. Pizza Mala Mula. Thank you so much. Guys, one last rose, guys. Yes.
Guys, can we tap? Oh, God. Guys.
Yeah, now it's times 2, guys. Now it's times 2. Last spawn now. Thank you so much, last spawn. Thank you so much.
Can we try?
Let's go, guys. Thank you so much.
Can someone please try for us, guys? Guys, they don't have smoke, these people.
Yes, Sipho! Thank you so much, Sipho. Thank you so much. You see now it's times 2. It's times 2, guys. Let's go, guys. 9. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Please try for us, please.
Bonza, Sipho.
Yo, sisokola nokufika kwa 100. Yo, guys. Hey. Nale iPod ayisafly inkosi yami. or ngoba ibona uDr Maleng ayisayiphezulu ke hey wena behave. Guys, everybody power tap Claire.
Urike viale moya urike urigo groove.
Hopefully this I completed that thing.
Guys, let's go, guys.
Yo, I'm people are sleeping here. Yo. People are sleeping here because guys, ayingeke.
Let's go, guys. Guys, let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Thank you so much, Pilani. Thank you so much. Oh, last spawn, no. Thank you so much, guys. Last spawn.
Utole Interstellar.
Uban Minaya.
Yeah.
No, not Interstellar.
Ugamento Interstellar.
Interstellar. Kunenge futhi check it up.
Interstellar le egulayo ephuma emanzini egulayo engathi iphethwe isithotho. Ayi Interstellar kuphela engibonayo la. Igama lakhe. Ukupha ama Interstellar 2.
Yeah, Mark, there's something.
Ukuphe ne Leon, ama Leon ay3.
Yeah, but there's something.
Ayi, yo. Is something leyo kanti kuphi yona? Oh. Ngokupha nani futhi. I think bo. Okay, guys, last 2 games. Mara at least to push ile namhlanje. At least. At least to push in. Guys, how many games after this one? 1 game. If they win this one, we go on the last game. Let's go. Accept again. Yo, nesqedelele. Guys, what's the score now? It's 8, ne? It's 8 or 9. 8. Can we go, guys? Mina, I was. Oh, bodlala nale ntombazana. Le ntombazana inine smoke ne?
Yeah. Mara ngimuzwa.
Mara ngaze ngidlale naye asifollowane. Maybe I need to follow her. Ngithanda vibe yakhe. Mina ngithanda umuntu one vibe vele. Hello Josh. How are you? Guys, someone snipe for us here, please. Snipe for us, guys. Come on. Say we came here to yapora yo. Hi, ke. Mara vele mina ngithanda ukudlala ebusuku yazi. It just that nje i-task ikhona i-task vele kumele ngi-complete ngizokubonisa yona.
Oh, okay.
Guys, can we tap? Can we tap, guys? Can we tap, please? Can we tap?
Okay, tomorrow. Hey. Nice again.
Hey guys, game lega Merilinda Melexeni ayo. Sengizoya nje kusasa na Tuesday, but ngichintsha schedule sami guys, ngifuna uMajuma lapho. Ngifuna sicale ukudlala noMajuma. I think So he's ama from next week. Ngikhulumile naye. So change his schedule. Guys, can we have 3 roses? Guys, 3 roses tini. Re tse pina re le 2. Yo, nna ke tse bobina. Nna ke tse bobina. Ke ntho tsa bo Dr. Malenga tsa bobina tseo. Guys, can we tap, hle? Someone snipe. Yo. Yeah. 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 Dividim. Dividim. Dim. Dim. So you're gonna go off mo qetala le kemile. Uzoqhubeka.
I wanna push to top 20. Mangathola top 20 phela ngizoba ngizo.
Ubani manje ipopular?
It's a good 20.
Yo, guys, ngicela niyosendela uDr. Malinga ama-heartbeat hle, that side. You just need ama-heartbeat kakhulu nama-popular. Ngicela nomsendela ama-heartbeat, guys, if you have one heartbeat and comment after. Join his team, comment and send go to that comment section and write post to those those stickers, guys, and then claim the points.
For me,
tap. Just go to his side. Send the heart me's, guys, so that he get e-badge. Ye top into guys bandla popular.
make sure that I'm on, you know.
Ngathi ungafika Themba. Yeah, it is and yazi popular yanceda yo. Why ngakuboni ku-popular manje? Why I don't see you on popular? Oh, 22. Ah, yo. Hey. It's abantu bakho basenda ama-popular vote.
That's please send popular.
Then claim me. Oh, 22.
That's in That's Bono.
Mina sengimele le batch le. Yabona ibhatch le yena new top 7. Ngizoyithola for the whole week. Do you know that one?
Which one is that?
Bheka laphayana ngaphansi kwama-viewers go viewers I yakho. Yabona lapho kunalento nto le engathi purple enobupink, yebo?
Yeah.
Hey, yabona ithi number what? Ithi number plus 99 on you or ithi?
Ithi number 30.
Number 30. If you were number 20, ubozothola i-batch for the whole week. I-click lapho ubheke top 7 kuleyo. We pushed the whole week last week. Every game kumele uthole 2,000 and above. That's why. So
Uthole 2,000 viewers.
2,000 points. If uwina nge-2,000 kusho ukuthi uthola 1 point. Uyaphambili kanjalo. So le batch le sizoyithola the whole week. 7. 7. Onako top 3. Onako uzoyithatha le top into i-podium yakhona. But at least guys, phela the last time guys we got it that batch. We told her the whole week. So vala ngonto ke okusenza njani after into uzodlala randomly or siphusha ufikele.
Yeah, ngibona ukuthi maybe ngafika.
Guys, can you go to Dr. Malinga and send the heart me's, guys? If you can. First gift, my team. First gift. Let's try it, team. First gift. Anything. First gift. First gift. Mina bengafuni ukuza live, guys. Ngizele nama-rewards kuphela. Khona ama-rewards engiwazele ukuthi ngipush. But afuna 25 minutes. I didn't want to come live. Because I know ukuthi thina ebusuku nje asidonsi into zethu la. But at least we've managed to make it. We have 41 followers. We just needed 5 followers. But we have 45, 41 followers. So we are good. Hopefully I completed that. There's a lot of things. Lot of things. Guys, can we tap, please? Can we tap my team? Yeah, I will teach you that. I will show you that one after live. Maseng Pumilin send a voice note. You send it. Guys, can we
Okay, sure.
send if you can hear me, guys, can you send red hearts or something? Just say hi or tell me where you from. Anything, just for our comments to run. Just for our comments to run, my team. Just a red heart or tell me your location, where you from, or whatever. Just say hi. Guys, can you have one more? 2 more roses, 3 more. 3 more, 3 more, 3 more, 3 more. A red heart, or you just say hi on the just comment something, anything on the comment section. I'll appreciate that. And then if you haven't sent a heart me on side of Dr. Malinga, can you go and help with the heart me, guys? And the popular. Hi Lerato, where you from? Utsako kai Lerato.
We're on number
Scans
21,
of
guys.
it. 21, yes. They just need to try to push you. Popular phone into phone. I'm a popular vote. Hi, I'm from Sekunda, Mpumalanga. Sekunda, Mpumalanga. Now I'm in Sekunda, Evander. Is it the Evander, Sekunda Evander? Or it's just Evander? Miss K, thank you so much, babes. How are you, Miss K? Thank you so much for joining our amazing team. And congratulations.
Guys, where are you watching me from? Where are you watching me from?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Timmy.
Where are you watching me
Lerato from
from?
Free State. Welcome.
Me, I'm from Hammanskraal.
Welcome. Unganyana bani ba welcome. Dr. Azwi Hangu. How are you? Thank you so much for the follow. Hi, Kanye. Dr. Matogish.
Harry Smith, Aliyah.
Thank you so much. Hi, Mama Kampumi. In Centurion, Pirara. How's the weather? Pirara. Doctor.
Liema, Isi.
Let's go. Let me see the comments. Oh, level 12. Congratulations.
Thank
you so much for the follow, TK in Mpumalanga. I don't know.
I'm from Polokwane, Mr. Mashiro, just me.
I don't know which one is that. Mwana wa welcome. Bole rato ba kata bashimane ampe ba welcome. Ke ba tseba. Babo Ino. Welcome. Doctor. Oh, doctor.
Watch in Toronto.
Sheba, hey, galibita, rata mo.
Guys, let's go, guys. Let's go, guys.
Doctor, thank you so much. And then I told him I'm from USA Lowell when I sent my heart me. Pretoria West. I get to be Pretoria, guys. Ne? I just know CBD ya Pretoria. Fair.
Bonda.
Yeah, Pretoria.
No.
Fair. I'm from Venda. Guys, snipe, guys. I hope they're not gonna snipe, guys. Take down their winning streaks. I don't even know the score, guys. But I know that Uti. I don't know. Good. Finally. Where are you now? Thank you so much. Shout out to our MVP. Doggish in the house. Thank you so much, dog. Thank you so much, Katli, Miss K. Thank you so much, my family. Thank you, everyone. Let me see.
Thank you so much, Nono, Bonza, Aliyah.
Let's go. Okay, guys, please continue to go to Dr. Malinga and send the heart meet, guys, and the populars, guys. Please, he must get. Let me see. And then we have Venda in the house. We have Abu Masindi. Tembisa. Corrupt place. That one. Tembisa. Skelem. Look your name. Look at your name. Smashing glasses, smashing windows. Born. Your name isn't it? Each of our skeleton. Kadala. From Rustenburg, Protea Park. Ooh. Rusty in the house. Guys, thank you so much. I went to Rustenburg. I think 5 years back. The minings are Rustenburg. And it was a better thing. Another project. The minings are Rustenburg. bontate ba di-mining ba rata basadi. Hey, basadi ba ditono. Guys, continue tapping. Don't forget to claim your points. If you are here for the first time, please hit the follow. There's more. Ooh, who say no? Beggarsford. Beggarsford. Where is Beggarsford? I don't know Beggarsford. Where is Beggarsford? I don't know.
Limpopo.
Guys, can you have Limpopo? Ngwana bo mma. Ngwana bo mma. Kati dula ka mo mma. Ngwana bo mma. Mma. Ke kgopela cat. Guys, can we have 2 roses? Listinchi ambi. Stinch. Ngwana bo mma. Guys, 2 more roses, guys. 2 more roses, guys. 2 more. Let's go, Timmy. Let's go, guys. Everybody, let's go. Everybody, let's go. Everybody, let's go. Go hauna music, hauna nix. Yo. Hola mukhuku kwa salamate amazenke. Guys, can you have 2 roses? 2 roses, guys. 2. Sanibonani. Ninjani. Guys, 2 roses. 2 roses, guys. 2. Guys, mina ngo-12 ngiyalala, guys, ne. Ngo-12 I just want to see ukuthi Dr. Malinga uzoyithola popular, and then I go because I'm gonna wake up early. Le game le ya ka Marelinda, guys. Ngiboni kahle but ke so ilungisa. It's fine, so ilungisa. Kahle, thank you so much. Ngifuna ukufaka umajuma la, guys, lapho. Sikhulumile naye. Sifuna ukudlala ekseni naye. But so bega maybe during the week. Or maybe next week, because no cleaner kumele ngikhulume naye. Ngifuna ukupha ucleaner another guys, all together. Guys, after this one, I think we're gonna play the last 2 or 1. Ricky Bono solo guy kamoka popular air how. Let's see. When I never told winner. Not unless someone come and snipe for you. The person who's on your team. Okay, something. See something. Oh, guys, I think we're gonna lose a fragment. We're gonna lose a fragment, guys. Team Lingers. Go that side. Go that side. Go that side. He can't see you this side. You can go to his side. It's okay. Click on his name and then go that side.
Let's go, guys.
I want to see something here. Wait. Mama. I can't see. I wanted to see. Wait. Akiboni. No, thank you. Yeah, wait now. Uring. Uthini ke? Makuso. Wena.
Kuyafana wakawina.
Hayi bo. Sengiwinile. Yo kunini? Yo.
Tata kancane singena. Yo we. Tata
Kabanga.
No.
Thank you so much. Yoni ngashapa Dr. Malinga.
Ngwana morwalo wena kulutsa ena mowa. Queen Kiki, please snipe for us.
Guys, watch out.
On top 20. Yo.
Good. You still have another 5 minutes before that. Thank you so much. Thank you. How? Dr. Malinga nkareng rahlanya. Kana little love. Thank you so much. Kasi nkare ke kotsa ke le noise. Stop eating sweets. Chocolate and so. Yes. Love.
Yo, ke mona.
Hey, wena ke dula ko jwetsa nhlala ngikutshela ngithi ungabi too quick. How? Don't be too quick.
Guys, please, guys, let's go, guys. On time story. Guys.
All together, guys. There's our WhatsApp, guys.
We want to be on top 20, guys.
Oh. Tula uti tu. Le top 20 leyo uzoyithola ngaphansi kweinyawo zakho.
Yo.
How? Yo. Tell your people to help you. Guys, how many people does he have that side? Can you go that side? And tell me how many people unabantu abayingaki? Ama-watchers. Abakhona ukuthi baphume ngaphandle bayenze something manje ebusuku ukuthi bakuzamele something. Ukuthi ungene ku top 20. Ukhuluma ngenhliziyo manje. Angithi ubongishaya la nabo Lord. Uphi Lord ulele as we speak. Ulele. Usele nami. Hey. Don't you dare. Talk on to my points. Mr. Stress. Se popular. Yeah. Uzoyizama one day food. No, 161 people for him. What happened to your followers? Biza ke uLord ke. Intanga yakhe ila. Uthephoza umshaya kahle uLord wakho. Oh. Lord creation.
Amarga uthepho nayo. Bona.
Hey, ungamprovoke. Don't provoke him. Yabona uze ngepeace. Uthepho phela angakuhlanganisa nami lamakhetini lawo manje. Uthuthu ubona intuthu nje lapho. Ubona imist. Ungamprovoke. Guys, ngathi ngizophathwa izinyo guys. Lakala babuhlungu. Ngiphathe ngenhliziyo. Khulela inhliziyo yakho. Haw. Mina I'm not unpopular mos. Okay, what were you saying about Sap?
Kuyafana naye akathusi. Guys, let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. It's 2 minutes to 12. If you can reach 1K, guys, yo, Barge. We only shot with 1K to be unpopular, guys. Yo, only one, even it's not 1K. Guys, guys, it's 300, only 300. Yo, or it's what, man, or him. Only money gun. Only money gun, I think. I gotta change. Oh. Only money gun. Money guns. Oh, Galaxy. Only Galaxy.
So Natsotola e-patch the whole week, guys. You will see that patch is gonna change there for that one, that pink one, for the whole week. It's not like there's something you will do here. Thank you so much, Ross. Thank you. Thank you so much. Taz, that's how are you? I need to stress. Nale stress, Dr. Malinga. Oh.
Hi, buddy.
Top 22. I want to see this one. Yeah, change. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I want to see this one. Okay, change as well. Thank you so much.
Mama Sonar Baba.
Yeah, sharp.
Okay, thanks.
Betty, I can't teach in Chani. Sharp way. Get out, check out, son.
Okay, sharp.
Sharp. So, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys.